get a drink. Oh, yeah. Our very own resident Chippendale dancer right here at the pub fountains. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I said, hey, yo crazy bitch, but you fuck so good I'm on top of it when I dream. I'm doing you all night, tripping on down my back. Oh, hey, yo crazy bitch, but you fuck so good I'm on top of it when I dream. Doing you all night. Now, we got some young ladies that have driven all the way. Oh, me. They drove all the distance from the Woodlands to get all the way down here. Oh, my God. Holy shit. Holy shit, it's crazy. You would thought I was asking them to go get a root canal. You would think. Yeah, No, bullshit. You made it. Thank you for coming. So, what we're gonna do, what we're gonna do now is Sandman, a little Aerosmith song if you play stand up here. Let's do this. Kimberly! Here. No, it's after this. Yeah, we'll pee after this. No, the bathrooms are closed for the next song. Bathrooms are closed. body shots off his body a minute. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, look, the chicks are lining up already.
Rock
now,
body.
I do want to recognize this gentleman right here. Yes. Number one, that's a fucking beard right there. That's a beard. That's a beard. And let me tell you something about this man. One of two things. If I needed a tree cut down or a set of paper towels, that's who I would go talk to. See what happens, either one. That's right. So if you've got a situation where you need a tree extracted, that's a man that can take it down. I can tell right there. Yeah. See, I'm right, am I not? That is the beard of a man that can chop the tree down. This right here is a man that didn't have a clue how to take a tree down. I call people like you someone that is qualified. Yeah, I do not do any. I can't believe you worked brawny into this. I did. I got brawny in there. I did. I threw that in there. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Right here. Yes. All right. We are going to do something we do every night. And if you've seen us before, then you've seen us do this. How many people, this is your first Velcro rodeo? First time you've seen us? Really? Is it? Yeah. Really? Keep them up if it's your first time. Really? Thank you all. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much. I know that many of you guys have been dragged here against your will. And for that, you will probably have a nice place in heaven. Which, incidentally, we have learned after reviewing the book of Revelation and reading what John wrote, that heaven is actually Buc-ee's. So, apparently, in there, I mean, those are, listen, how many people have ever taken a shit at a Buc-ee? Uh-huh, yeah. If Christ himself was in Houston, that is where he would go. That is exactly where he'd go. Anyway, the Velcro Pygmies are a band that appreciates a group of individuals that are willing to sacrifice their lives to give us the right to do what we do. And those are the men and women of the United States military. And every night we play, we feel that it is our obligation to say thank you to the people that protect the freedom that many of us take for granted. Because most of us don't ever have to fight for it. And that is because they do their job so very, very well. And if you'll notice, there's a flag on either side of our stage. And those flags have been with us for many, many years, and they are covered with names. Names of men and women that are serving in the United States military today, have served in the past. Many of the people on these flags will never come back home. And so, every night, put this hat on, and we dedicate a song to the brave men and women of the United States military. American girls and American guys will always stand up and salute, will always recognize when we see your glory fly. And there's a lot of men who did, so we could sleep at ease at night when we lay down our head. My daddy served in the army, but he lost his right eye, but he put a flag down in the yard. Till the day that he died, he wanted my brother, my sister and me to grow up and live happy in the land of the free. This nation that our love is falling under its side. Mighty sun punch came flying in from somewhere in the black. Soon as we could see clearly. Justice will be served, and the battle will rage, and this big guy